Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell. So I'm here with my friends Evie and Olivia. So yeah. So today we're going to be playing a Tower of Hell. Bruh. LOL. Okay, so let's get started. So my goal today is again making to the top. Oh, I fell. Okay. Okay. They're both like they have no idea that I'm filming because we're not like in the same room or anything. We're just like you know. But this is actually Evie server. And remember to subscribe to my channel and Olivia's channel and Evie's channel. Olivia's channel is called Olivia Pie, and Evie's channel is called Evelyn Mom. They both post so good videos. Like Olivia hasn't posted it yet, but her intro is amazing. So I think you should go and check it out. So yeah. Anyways, this tower is so hard. I'm gonna ask okay, so let's go. Okay, so jump. Jump. No, okay. Oh, okay. Never mind. Yay! A new tower. Okay, let's go. So sorry guys if this video is going to be short. They both are racing over there, so yeah. Anyways, let's go. Yay! No, okay. I died when they changed the tower. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Okay. Please stop changing this tower. Ooh, this is not like that hard, I guess. I mean, I passed the first level. Who wanted this? Ooh, there's no. I think this is like a new stage because I have no idea because like I actually never like played this stage before. I don't know if it's like new or old. So I'm gonna have Olivia's and Evie's channel in the description down below, and of course I'm going to have what I'm filming, what I'm using to film this video in the comment section down below as always. So yeah. Like, I'm so bad at Tower of Hell. So the next video that I'm going to film, I might actually film Corridor of Hell or Difficulty Charts Obby because I actually never filmed one of those before. I mostly just filmed Tower of Hell videos, which is a bit like boring to you guys, I guess it will be, because like I only like film like one Adopt Me video and others isn't. So I might film some other games. I might actually play some new games. So yeah. Like, Evie is so good at Tower of Hell. She's like one of the best players, like, for my friends, I guess you could say that. Oh well. Let's go. No, I died. Go speed run. I want to speed run. I don't want to speed run. Jump, jump, jump. I don't know why I'm feeling so bubbly today, to be honest, guys. LOL, okay. Oof. Okay, just fell straight forward. I almost fell the whole way. At least you didn't like, oh. Never mind. No, I fell again. Okay, let's try one more time. Yay. No, I died. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!